Danke bafethu, i-Chiefs ibuyile ejimini. Nangu uCheslert lokhu ulimele lapho uxhawulwa uBobby. Naba abanye abadlali-ke aboFrosler odlala laphana e-right back bafowethu. Babuyile abafana straight from eCongo. Nangu uMatlo nawo kuthiwa ulimele. Umfana lo uMokoena bafowethu, u-goalkeeper. Nangu-ke uInacio Miguel, one of their leaders, noGustin Sireno laphana. Uvuma naye unumber 44, uMajita abuyile Congo njengoba bengishilo bafethu. Bonakala ngathi ba-happy naye lo mdlalo wabo bahlezi bawudlala nangu noBatman ucele. Nangu uShinga naye kuthiwa akekho fit bafethu. Cabanga unina Jim uShinga kuthiwa akekho fit. Kuthiwa a few days ebuyile whatever is fighting i-fitness. Hayi, nangu Mayo okumele abe yi-saver laphana eKaizer Chiefs in terms of ukushaya amagoli. One of the most trusted strikers in South Africa. Obvious isikhathi esiningi abantu bane-tradition yabo ukuthi maybe bavula ngomthandazo. Ngile kude bafethu ngibona uMorris he's not even making match day squad. Lo number 31, yes, uye uMokoena bafethu lo waku-D_D_C team. I think ukula ku-first team because of uMolife, i-fourth goalkeeper choice eKaizer Chiefs ayikho, so ukhona laphana. Nangu uMaboy naye kuthiwa is fighting whatever they said. Yeah, now Ben co-coach laphana eKaizer Chiefs no Cedric abakhona ukuthi banomsebenzi omkhulu kangaka bafethu. Imagine leading one of the biggest teams on the continent. Yeah, but the mood is positive nangu Batman bayamdansisa laphana. Bafana babuya ku-World Cup noShabala ubani man uVilakazi laphana. You have to start with i-warm up njalo uma uqala laphana ejimini. Cheslert nangu bathi ulimele ndoda, bathi ulimele Cheslert. Hayi, yeah, imovie bafowethu. McCarthy umfana ne-bright future. Nangu uShinga naye uthukile nawe uShinga, bathi akekho match fit but kunini ne-gym. Ovele bayo umfana expected ukuthi aqala ukudlala. UVilakazi-ke i-star seKaizer Chiefs siyazi bafethu, superstar, young superstar, one of the most loved. Nangu iKadaru naye laphana eqeda ukunyamalala laphana. But the boys are gearing up for the biggest match of the week, which is la bazodlala khona Sunday nale team le yaseGhana izobonisa obviously physique enkulu. But guess what, I think they are ready because badlala home, so there's no excuse for bona ukuthi bangakwazi bahluleke ukuthola ama-results at home. They just have to try and attack and show that aggression because le team le into ebashaya ngayo i-aggression kuphela. In terms of i-talent abanalo i-talent, but-ke bayaforsa yonke into nje bayaforsa bafethu. So ne-Kaizer Chiefs they have to show and they have to just stand out bafethu as the-Kaizer Chiefs and show them that they are better than them just to qualify for ama-group stages. They really need to qualify for ama-group stages, yabo. Defense akusiyi-threat leya team leya, but-ke obviously akumelanga baloke babayeka bafowethu bashaye outside 18 because bane-shot. Bantu bakhabula ilebhu labo balishaya ishot abadlali. We saw what happened to Orlando Pirates, uDuba. So yibona i-contribution yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs this season. I mean, ngimbonile poster ubani uCoach Nabi, kusho ukuthi uyamkhumbula uCoach Nabi because uCoach Nabi umnika ama-opportunities amaningi bafowethu, and i-game model kaCoach Nabi beyimsutha kahle uDuba, so that is why uDuba bedlala kangcono under uCoach Nabi and he was able to be influential. Umlungu bafowethu uCross kupholiwe laphana. I still say uCross i-physique yase-Africa ngeke alunge. Ngimbonile kuleya game le. I'm not saying he's a good player, but uleka nje lowo aggression. Umnandi ebholeni ey'nyaweni malukuye, but-ke le physique yaku-continental level, I think uBetway Premiership uyakompitha lapho, uyakompitha yeah, but the physical part of the African Cup competitions, which is the CAF Confederations Cup la abayidlalile, that's the nkinga of the problem. But isithemba ukuthi uzojwayela. I mean i-test yakhe lena ukuthi njengoba bebaya lapha e-Angola, uyazi ukuthi manje seka-expect-eni overall kumele-ke eqhubeka edlala lama-competitions lawa bafowethu. So yeah, bayasaba uMapela abafana bafowethu. Nangu Msimang, Given Msimang. I wonder uGiven Msimang ukuphi, how far in terms of like i-recovery process yakhe. Nangu noShinga lapha, nangu iKataro laphana emuva. Bakhona amajita, just nje kushoda lapho nalapho. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ifeel i-pressure from i-public ama-fans mawathi bapha abadlali abasha. That is why bavele bakhiphe i-list. But nangu uGeorge Matlou naye lo bamkhiphile bathi ulo injured uyajima. Angisho ukuthi ngoba ajima akathintekanga bafethu, but sengiyasho ukuthi ayi, njalo ku-Chiefs balimele abantu bafethu, but siyababona ejimini. uModi esembhekile laphana ukuthi he's supposed to be one of the leaders of the teams in terms of creating opportunities and creating those moments. But yeah, sombona ukuthi yena uModi uzomisa kanjani isizini yonke overall, because kumele ngempela akwazi ukulida i-Kaizer Chiefs. UMorris ayikho indaba yakhe bafethu, ayikho into enhle engiyibonayo ngaye engingamncoma. Khona izinto uthola ukuthi umuntu khona kwamanye ama-department umncome, but uMorris ayikho i-department engingamncoma ngayo bafethu. I can't say he's a hard work, I can't say he's fighting the strikers. Yabo, iKataro uhlulwa ukuphasa ibhola esimple. But yeah, I've seen him. iKataro is bringing goals laphana for iKaizer. Nangu uSheslett lokuthiwa ulimele uyagxuma laphana. I think even the guys laba abasha sebajime isikhathi eside bafethu, sebajwayelene manje ayikho. I wish umfana laphana uMokoena uzowathola ama-opportunities, noma angawatholi ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but bakwazi ukumlona in a long run. Cause naye uyasho ukuthi eyi, kungenzeka noma yini, cabanga utrainer ne-first team umfana. Ayi, yeah, I'm sure ziyamkhiphela, kumnandi naye umfana ukuthi uyakwazi ukutraina nabantu i-first team. Possibly naye ngelinye ilanga uzokwazi ukurepresent i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-senior team. Still a long way to go, of course, but they have to believe kubafana abancane more than ukusayina o-goalkeeper just for the sake of ukusayina o-goalkeeper. iKataro unenkani, ngimazi kahle, unenkani, and bayidinga ku-continental level le nkani yakhe ukuthi akwazi ngempela ukushepha izinto. Cedric, coach ye-Kaizer Chiefs, angazi ukuthi information bayi-receive kanjani ku-Kaizer Chiefs uma banama-coaches awu-2 bafethu, ukuthi bazowa-respect-a kanjani. Khona i-moment ementionwe omunye umfethu ukuthi ocele bathethisana nabo-coach, namanye nje ama-moments esiwabonile Ntwara bafuna uku-replace. Wait madoda, eyibo, engakhumbula something. uNtwara akekho ejimini i-Kaizer Chiefs. Kusho ukuthi lento eshiwo ilo, okay, ngizomenzela i-clip yakhe eceleni. Yeah, kusho ukuthi kunenkinga e-serious, nayi le nkinga eripotwe ilo The Citizen. Hayi, but ngeke avele anyamalale ejimini. Bazoripota amanga-ke mase sebaripota bona ezi-Kaizer Chiefs sebayisotile, sebayizama, maybe sebayikhulumile bayisotha out indaba kaNtwari, or bamsuspendile or kwenzakalani, but yeah, sobona. Nangu uCheslett uyajima, lo kuthiwa akekho u-off. Hey, gazi ufithi nawo uCheslett ukuthi adlale la ku-Chiefs. But nangu noShinga naye lapha bafethu bathi i-match fitness yakhe akakabi right. Hey, cause nokusayina nangu uMaboy, uLebohang Maboy naye ubhizi uyajima bafethu. So but yeah, bayazi bona ezi-team ukuthi bafunani, nanokuthi bafuna ukuthi maybe ama-player abafike ku-fitness level engakanani, and then they will start playing those players. But ukuthi bavele baripota ama-player angaka ukuthi a-injured ebekhona ejimini, hayi bafethu, hayi, akungadlalwa ngathi. And the funny part ukuthi u-coach mebala iy'nsuku la amanye ama-players angekho injured, azi-correspond bafethu, azibhalansi. Those days don't make sense at all compared to iy'nsuku mina some of the players engiwabonile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs awabhalansi ngempela iy'nsuku. But-ke sothini, they just have to do what they have to do in order to protect themselves from the public, because i-public ifuna into straight, ifuna ukuthi okay, you guys are playing the players or you're not playing the players. What is wrong? Bafuna i-public ifuna ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ibe transparent, ibe direct, ibe straight. Unfortunately-ke lezi zinto lezi zoku-protect-a ama-brand zokuthi into ekanje nekanje asisho, kune-public outcry, so we'll try and contain the fans in order to please the brands. Zonke lezo zinto lezo. I mean direct, kumele ube direct uthi okay usibanibani akakabi ready ukudlala kuphela, hhayi ukuthi uvele uthi abantu banjalo ba-injured abantu bangekho injured. Umuntu o-injured phela akajimi nokujima bafowethu, and then let's say umuntu ubelimele seningasho ukuthi okay ulimele, he was out for this time, and le nto le beyenziwa angazi manje ama-team sewakhipha izinto ngathi i-secret. Ningichazele i-journalist melibuza laphana ukuthi lo muntu siyambona ejimini ngoba bayaya laphana e-Natural neza ama-journalist. Azange akwazi ukuqamba amanga ku-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs because uyazi ukuthi la bantu laba bayeza laphana e-Naturena bayabona ukuthi obani abakhona, obani abangekho, and then sekazifihla ngokuthini, uvele uthi hhayi bazosithola isikhathi nabo sokudlala laba abangadlali bafowethu, bazosithola i-moment yabo iyeza, just sisabhekile siyaba-assess-a possibly whatever. So yeah, sithembe ukuthi azoba right amajita ukuthi akwazi ngempela ukukhompitha. I mean the fans wanna see the new players, let them fail inside the field of play of it, let them fail because they are there, they are present. Let the fans see them fail than ukuthi bangadlali at all. Singaphinde sikabongani Sam, sabona ukuthi uBongani Sam kwenzakalani isizini yonke azange athole ne-opportunity because sometimes umuntu umhlalisa ebhentshini uthole ukuthi akenzi kahle ejimini, awumhlalisi nasebhentshini nje umhlalisa kuma-grandstand kanti udinga i-match eyi-one ukuthi i-confidence yakhe ibuye. Only one match i-change everything bafethu. Awumdlalisa i-match uzothola ne-confidence makaya ejimini and then iqale uku-change izinto laphana, confidence yakhe everything nje yakhe ibe right, and then seniyakwazi ukubhenefitha nina as i-team as a whole. But if the person is not even getting a single opportunity to showcase their talent, then that's the nkinga of the problem, you see. But-ke u-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs attack-a thina abantu abafana nami or even ama-fans, uthe wonke umuntu e-South Africa wenza ngathi uwu-coach uyalazi ibhola whatever. We have the right to critique the team if the team is not doing well. We have the voices to say okay, I don't think this is right. I mean wonke umuntu unama-opinion wakhe, so I don't have to cage my opinion to please omunye umuntu. Ngithi hhayi ngeke ngisho le nto le ngoba izo-affect usibanibani kanje, so I mean akusizi ngempela bafethu. I have to say what I have to say ngesikhathi engifuna ukisho ngaso leyo nto leyo. Ngicela ukubamba la kwamanje bafethu, good training emajita, sibafisela inhlanhla upcoming games ukuthi bakwazi ukuthatha izinto serious, bakwazi ukuthola ama-result, bavele bayishaya i-3 leya team leya, bayibonisa ukuthi hayibo iphutha le nto le yenziwe uDupreez ukuthi angakwazi ukuthatha golden opportunity, but-ke bathi bay'tshele bona bazoyilungisa yonke le nto le eDobsonville. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu uku-like-a ni-subscribe.